agree with Eric. They have to come up with something. They have to be united. You know, the league has been 42 years na. So, instead of yung kanya-kanya sila, they have to gather and then set aside their personal, it's for the league. Think about the league and kung ano yung pwede.
What's it?
Honey!
Well, thank you, Ninang.
Players.
Thank you,
So, pinag-usapan
Ninang.
natin dito yung
Love
league
you.
leadership, Commissioner Board of Governors.
Merry Christmas.
What about on the part of players? What can players do
Bye-bye.
to make their league, their own
Without,
league,
always.
productive, really, bigger and better in 2018? No?
Tell daw, without, always.
Preparing yourself physically, that's one part of it.
Tell
So you
ya.
can perform better. If you perform better, then you can compete more. I mean, there's a lot more at stake. Gone are the days that you can just go to practice. Now you gotta do other things. You gotta do strength and conditioning. You gotta work on your shooting.
Yeah, but don't I hear that players are complaining that they're actually overworked, that they play too many games, that the teams that are going to the
Si Kuya.
semifinals.
Silang Kuya. Silang Kuya.
I hear that. Na parang
Gipse, gipse, kunele.
Ako sa animal.
Yeah, I feel that
Gip kunele.
I don't think everybody does it. There are already certain individuals that you